let's rock and roll and pick up some chicks. Pick up some salt. The salt mine is located in the market town of Loulé, only 15 kilometers from Faro city center, making a popular destination for day trips, especially if you want to pick up some salt. Look like we have just arrived. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cima Campina mine or Salt Tech mine. Alright, so we have arrived at this salt mine. I guess I'm not alone, and there's also an elevator. I assume that would take us down to the shaft. So obviously safety comes first, so when you're here, you have to put on a head net, and then this is very stylish. To protect your brain while it's lightening up your day. I think I'm ready to go. Are you?
If you can come tomorrow, we'll be open, okay. But today, we will not have any more visits.
The mine's always busy. Make sure you get your reservation. I'm serious. I kind of feel bad because of me. They're not able to go down.
Even though you have only one reservation.
Only one? This is for a TV show. So the way down on the elevator is quite interesting, yeah. So once you go inside to your right, so here we have kind of like a rustic elevator, as you can see. Careful with the head, and don't touch the black cable because it's full of grease.
Okay. As you can see, we are inside the shaft, and ooh, now that's exciting.
And now 3 minutes.
3 minutes down.
Yeah.
Now, is this a working mine, Alex?
It is a working mine.
So they're still extracting salts from here?
Yeah, about 7,000 tons per year.
7,000 tons, that's a lot of salt.
Yeah.
Do you cook with that much salt yourself?
No, this is all for the roads.
Oh, okay.
To melt ice and snow on the roads of Portugal and Spain. And we also use salt in animal feed as a complement.
The Campina to Cima salt mine, at 230 meters beneath the surface, is Portugal's deepest tourist site. First opening its door to tourism in 2019. The 2-hour guided tour gives a brief history from 1963 when the mine was first in operation, including life as a miner and geological importance of the salt mine of Loulé and its many applications.
Those 45 kilometers of tunnels are divided in 2 different levels. So we have 93% of sodium chloride, which is salt in pure form, mixed with clay, gypsum, magnesium, potassium, just to name a few other minerals.
The tour covers a spectacular geological rock salt formations dating back to 230 million years. Along the way, you get to check out how some really cool toys and how they get down here. Some of the fun toys include trucks, trailers, bush cutters, and just to name a few.
We have the most important places on the tour, pretty much. This is one of them. This is our gas station. This blue container is used to store diesel inside. Now, we have big equipment on the mine, some really large machines. Every machine that you will see today comes down on the exact same place as you did, on the same exact shaft. Okay?
Oh, really? That's pretty small.
So the machines are dismantled at the surface, they come down in pieces, and then they are reassembled on the mine.
So this is where all the magics happen place, and you know the machines are so big. It needs to be taken apart, but you know what, once it's come down here, this is the workshop they put it together. This is one of the extraction machines. It's very efficient. This is go and drills, and then it falls down to the ground, and then what happens is that this part comes forward and lifts it up. It's very, very efficient that it will actually drill up to 50 pounds. No, just joking. 50 tons. Yes, tons in 1 hour. If you are planning a career in mining, it's a good opportunity to observe and compare the ways in which mining machines and techniques have evolved over time. You'll be very happy the process has become a lot less explosive over time. Perhaps we should thank Saint Barbara, the patron saint of the miners. So as you can see back in the wall, there's a bunch of holes. Up until 1980s, they are using dynamites to blow holes in the wall to extract salt, but today they are using only machinery.
We had people in the past, and we still do from time to time, coming down here to breathe salt 3-4 hours a day as a treatment for asthma, for example. amazing results. To come and visit, we normally have a separate tour to see this exhibition. So we have what we saw today with this exhibition as an extra.
If you are curious about St. Barbara's history, there's an option to visit the Mines Gallery towards the end of the tour. It contains one of the biggest collections dedicated to this particular saint. The exhibit includes sculptures, paintings, and religious utensils in a range of sizes, from various countries and using different techniques.
Yeah, all of this is owned by one person, but we have it in a good place, as you can see.
Well protected.
Yeah, and to present this collection to the most people possible.
Yeah.
Named Klaus Zilla, and he's a German artist. His paintings are here for 1.5 years already, and they are in perfect condition, the same condition. So we mix not only industrial tourism with a little bit of art, so it's a nice mix for every public. Once again, careful with the head.
All right. He's a pro. We need to trust him on this. All right, here you go.
Right about now.
Oh,
Here we are.
Awesome.
Be careful with this cap here. Let's go out on this side.